Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. If you feel the text on your phone is too small, you can increase font size and make it easier to read. This is especially helpful for long reading sessions or for elderly users. Open your phone settings. Tap on Display. Now tap on Display Size and Text. Here you will see two main options. You can adjust font size and display size separately. Use the plus icon to increase the font size until it feels comfortable. You can also decrease it if the text feels too large. Below this, toggle on bold text. This makes text thicker and more visible across the phone. You will notice these changes immediately. There is no need to restart your phone. Adjusting font size improves readability, reduces eye strain, and makes your phone easier to use. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more phone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.